everyone, this is Ian from the Reaper Rocker. Welcome to Tales from the Underground. On this episode, magba-band feature ulit tayo at i-feature natin ang bandang Alea. This is a pop rock band from Manila. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Start!
Alea is a pop rock band from Metro Manila. The band was formed in 2017 as Heyday and was renamed Alea. They had performed in different gigs around Metro Manila and gained prominence in the indie scene. They had cover songs from Paramore and Appa Dharma Down. They went on short hiatus in 2020 as the pandemic spread and just came back recently in the scene.
So nakilala ko ang bandang Alea through Jam. Si Jam ay long time friend ko na. Actually, hindi pa kami nakikita niyan in person. So nakita lang kami niyan dun sa gig nila last year, dun sa Motorista Bar. Pero madalas na kami nag-uusap yan sa Facebook at pinag-uusapan namin tungkol sa banda. So na-excite ako na makilala ang banda niya at makilala ang kanilang performance. And I'm proud to share yung kanilang performance na tinake place sa Motorista Bar. So I will share this clip.
Nalalabig dapat pag-ibig mo. Sa iyo nalulunod na pag-ibig.
Alright, so that was Alaya's performance sa Motorista Bar. So, overall, ang masasabi ko sa banda to ay napaka-solid dahil bawat isa sa mga members ay pinapakita nila ang kanilang mga talent. Yung pagkanta ni Jam ay sobra kong na-appreciate. Her voice is amazing. And it kinda reminds me of Hayley Williams ng Paramore. And sa mga ibang members, ayan, si JR, solid yung kanyang drum plays. Talagang yung palo, talagang mararamdaman mo, tsaka may impact. Talagang tagus puso siya. At pati yung mga iba nating members, pinakita nila yung kanilang mga talent. So, yun, masasabi ko na malaki ang potential na bandang Alaya sa scene. I hope na since nga nakabalik na sila dito sa pagtutugtog, ay magpatuloy pang pagtutugtog nila sa underground scene. At suporta natin ang kanilang banda. Yung links is available in the description and kindly check them out. At tunghayan natin ang kanilang mga live performance at yung pagpunta nyo doon ay surely na ma-appreciate nila ang pagpapakita nyo ng support.
Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days.
Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa bandang Alaya. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs on my video. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episodes ng Tales from the Underground. This is Kian, signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!